Now listen children. Already you have seen what is the actual meaning of Venn diagram, how to draw the Venn diagram, by which symbol set is going to represent. These all the things already you have seen. Now you are going to see the results related to Venn diagram. We are going to find out here some results which are related to the Venn diagram. Means that result I am just going to derive with the Venn diagram only. As it is clear, the sets are represented by the circle. Suppose that it is your set A and this one is your set B. Okay? You are knowing very well it is the portion of the common portion. This whole portion, have you seen this portion? It is the portion of A. This portion is the portion of B. And it is the common portion of A and B. Have you seen? Then the common portion is also known as A intersection B. Now this portion, have you seen? This portion is your portion of A minus B, and this portion is your portion of B minus A. Okay? Now you are going to find the results regarding their cardinal number. NA, you are knowing very well what is the meaning of N of any set. Here I am writing NA. NA means number of elements of set A. Similarly, if I am writing NB, it is your number of elements of set B. If I am just going to write NA intersection B, then it's mean number of element of set A intersection B, number of elements of set A intersection B. Similarly, NA minus B means number of elements of set A minus B, and B minus A means number of elements of set B minus A. It is also known as the cardinal number. Okay, either to use the cardinal number of A minus B or number of element in A minus B have the same meaning. Here generally we are going to use the number of elements. That's why I am telling about the number of elements here only. Next, if I am just going to write down like this one, NA union B, then very easily you can say that number of element in the set A union B. Okay, now we are going to find out the results regarding these terms here. Now come to the portion here. Have you seen? It is your Venn diagram. From here very easily we can say that we can derive the formula that N A minus B, have you seen, plus N A intersection B means number of element of A minus B plus the number of element of A intersection B, means adding the number of elements of these two sets. Which set we are going to obtain here? Let us see. Okay, by adding the number of elements of these two sets, which set you will get here? Obviously the set A. So it is your first result is equal to NA. Understood the concept? So we can write NA is equal to NA minus B plus NA intersection B. It is your result number first. Now similarly for the set B, we can write number of elements in set B. Have you seen? It is your set B is equal to number of element in set B minus A plus number of element in set A intersection B. It is your second result. Okay? And if you are going to add these all the parts, means NA minus B plus NB minus A plus NA intersection B. Have you seen? NA minus B, NB minus A, and A intersection B. Surely it will give you the number of element in A union B. These are the common results. NA is equal to NA minus B plus NA intersection B, and B is equal to NB minus A plus NA intersection B, and NA union B NA minus B plus NB minus A plus NA intersection B. Now write these three results in your copy, in your note copy. Write these three results in your note copy, including the Venn diagram. At first draw the Venn diagram, then write these three results. Okay? Now children, have a look on these things. I have listed here results related to Venn diagram. It is your Venn diagram. It is the portion of A minus B. It is the portion of B minus A. It is the portion of A intersection B. First thing, NA equal to NA minus B plus NA intersection B. Next, NB equal to NB minus A plus NA intersection B. And third is your NA union B equal to NA minus B plus NB minus A plus NA intersection B. Okay, these are the three common results which can easily derived by the Venn diagram. Now come to the most important result of this. Now question is that prove that NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. This theorem you are going to prove here, and it is very important portion for you. Understood the topic? Maximum chance it will be that it will come in your exam. Prove that by using Venn diagram NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Now we are going to prove this thing by using Venn diagram. At first, let us observe the Venn diagram. By using the general concept, I am just going to prove it. Okay, then theoretical portion I am just going to explain it. At first, have a look on the Venn diagram. Let us see. NA union B, you are knowing, if I am just going to give you the shaded portion of A union B, then this whole portion you are going to shade. Understood? So, NA union B is equal to, let us see, this portion. At first I am just going to write down the NA. Have a look on it. Then NA plus, I am just going to write down the NB also. It is the value of the NB. This whole set is your NB. Now have a look. Any portion is there which already came two times here. It is, let us observe one more. It is your NA. This portion is NB. Any portion is there which came here two times? Yes, obviously the intersection portions. देख लो, NA में भी आ गया और NB में भी आ गया इंटरसेक्शन वाला पोर्शन. आया ना दो टाइम, तो इसको क्या करेंगे, एक टाइम यहां से हटा देना है. A intersection B. Have you seen? NA union B, NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Okay? It is the general proofs here. Now I am just going to explain it properly by using the Venn diagram, by using the theoretical portion. Okay? Now let's start. Now let's start the proofs of this one. Let us see. We have from Venn diagram NA union B, the whole portion is NA minus B plus NAB minus A plus NA intersection B. NA union B, NA minus B plus NB minus A plus NA intersection B. Already this property you have seen here. NA union B equal to NA minus B plus NB minus A plus NA intersection B. By using these results we are going to prove here. Then we have from Venn diagram NA union B equal to NA minus B plus NB minus A plus NA intersection B. Okay? At the second step, now we are going to put the value of NA minus B here and NB minus A from the above portion. Now let us see. NA minus B here, NA minus B you can write NA minus NA intersection B. The value of NA minus B is equal to NA minus NA intersection B. I have used that thing in place of NA minus B. NA minus NA intersection B. Then second portion is your NB minus A. Come to here again. NB minus A means NB minus NA intersection B. Then at the portion of NB minus A, I have used here NB minus NA intersection B, and this NA intersection B will remain same. Okay, now here it can be cancelled out, plus minus portion, same portion. Then what you got here? NA is here, plus NB is here, and one A intersection B in minus is there, minus NA intersection B. Okay, so you got your result. Therefore, NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Note down this result. It is very important result for you people. Okay, by using this result, you are going to solve so many problems here. So, note down this result properly in your copy. And derivation also note down. Okay, understood the thing? So, you have the formula actual. NA equal to NA minus B plus NA intersection B, NB equal to NB minus A plus NA intersection B, and by using this formula you derive this one, that NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Okay, now before to start some problems, at first have a look on these terms. It will help you to solve the problems in language form. Okay, now let us see. It is the sign of union. Union can be represented, it is your symbol. Okay, symbol, and it is your word form. Now listen, union can be written or, means if somewhere you will get or, then it can be written in the form of the union. Union can be written in the form of either or at least one, और either और at least one, मतलब कहीं भी और either और at least one मिले तो उसको हम लोग यूनियन लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इंटरसेक्शन, इट कैन बी रिटन इन वर्ड फॉर्म बोथ, ऑल, एंड. ओके, मीन्स ये मिलने के बाद इंटरसेक्शन लिख सकते हैं. देन इट इज योर डिफरेंस, ए माइनस बी लाइक थिंग. इट कैन बी रिटन ओनली वन बट नॉट अदर. ओके, ये सब चीज मिले तो इसको हम लोग डिफरेंस लिख सकते हैं. अब इसको एग्जांपल से समझिए. हियर इट इज गिवन. ओके, इफ समवेयर रिटन फॉर द सेट ए एंड बी आर सेट्स, एंड ए और बी, कहीं पे भी किसी क्वेश्चन में लिखा है ए और बी, या फिर आइदर ए और बी, या फिर एटलीस्ट वन सेट दिया है ए बी और एटलीस्ट वन लिख रहा है, तो इसको हम लोग यूनियन फॉर्म में ए यूनियन बी लिख देंगे. क्लियर है? नाउ कम टू द इंटरसेक्शन फॉर्म. अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में लैंग्वेज फॉर्म में ए एंड बी लिखा है, ए और बी सेट है, बोथ ए बी लिखा हुआ है, मतलब दोनों का दोनों, और ऑल ए एंड बी, इस सब का मतलब हो गया सेट फॉर्म में इंटरसेक्शन. तो कहीं लैंग्वेज में अगर ये सब टर्म लिखा है तो इसको हम लोग सेट फॉर्म में ए इंटरसेक्शन बी लिखेंगे. ठीक है, फिर आ जाओ यहां पे. अगर लिखा है किसी क्वेश्चन में ओनली ए या फिर ए बट नॉट बी, ओनली ए या ए बट नॉट बी, तो इसको हम लोग ए माइनस बी लिखेंगे. ठीक है, इस चीज को बढ़िया से ध्यान में रखिएगा, क्योंकि लैंग्वेज वाला प्रॉब्लम, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम जब भी आएगा उसमें डायरेक्ट ये नहीं देखे, इसी लैंग्वेज फॉर्म में लिखा रहेगा. आपको इस लैंग्वेज को देख के ये लिखना है कि यूनियन दिया है, कि इंटरसेक्शन दिया है, कि बी माइनस डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है. सिमिलरली फॉर द थिंग्स, इफ इट इज रिटन योर एन बी माइनस ए, तो इसको क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं? एन बी माइनस ए को यस ओनली बी, सिर्फ बी वाला पार्ट. ठीक है ना? ये देखो, ये है ना, यहाँ ए हो गया, यहाँ बी हो गया, ये वाला पोर्शन बी माइनस ए है, तो ये तो सिर्फ बी वाला पार्ट हो गया ना. बी वाला पार्ट से अगर मैं ए को हटा दिया तब ना बी माइनस ए हुआ. इट इज द पार्ट ऑफ ओनली बी. सो बी माइनस ए कैन बी रीड एज ओनली बी और बी बट नॉट ए. ठीक है, कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड and somewhere note down this thing by using this one. This one is the symbol and it is its word form. क्योंकि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम जब भी बनाइएगा उसमें ये डायरेक्ट नहीं दिया रहेगा, उसमें ये चीज देगा लैंग्वेज फॉर्म में. इससे आपको देख लेना है कि यूनियन दिया है, कि इंटरसेक्शन दिया है, कि डिफरेंस दिया है. समझ में आई बात? ठीक है, इसको बढ़िया से नोट करके रखिए, ये सारा का सारा पोर्शन. ओके, ये क्वेश्चंस बनाने में आगे चल के आपको हेल्प करेंगे. ओके, now we are going to see some problem based on these topics, means by using this formula how we are going to solve the problems. Now let's start with a question. The question is, if NA equal to 17, number of element in A 17, NB 23 and NA union B is 38. Okay, the question is that find NA intersection B, first number, second number NA minus B, and third number NB minus A. These three things we are going to find here. You have already three, you have seen the four, but actually used theorems are actually used, the results are three there. First, NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B, this result. Okay, next NA equal to NA minus B plus NA intersection B, or third one NB is equal to NB minus A plus NA intersection B. I think you already have written in your copy notebook. So you see that things, that results, and try to find out this one. Let us see first one. For the prudence of the first one, we have NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Now let's see, values are given here. NA union B is given here, 38. Put here 38. NA is also given here. How much it is? 17. NB 23. It is 23. And if you want to keep it is as usual. If you want to change, some problems you will face by using this one, then take it as this one as X, no problem. And find out the X, whatsoever the value of X, it will give the value of NA intersection B. For your convenience, you can take it X, no problem. Then solve it, you will get 38, that side, how much? 40. 40 minus X. So the value of X, take X this side or put it this side, then it becomes 38 minus 40. 38 minus 40 is equal to minus X. This implies minus 2 is equal to minus X. So the value of X is 2. Therefore AN, value of X is 2 and A intersection B is equal to, okay, 38, 17, 23. I have written their values here. Then I have solved here. At last you got NA intersection B is equal to 2. You got already the first portion. Okay, now come to the second portion. Now you are going to find the second value, means NA minus B. Using the formula NA equal to, कहीं भी कंफ्यूजन हो साइड में वेन डायग्राम बनाइए, अपने पता चल जाएगा, है ना. डायरेक्ट आपके पास जो तीन फॉर्मूला है वो वेन डायग्राम से तुरंत डिराइव हो जाएगा. ठीक है, साइड में बना दीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, सामने में दिख जाएगा क्या फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. NA इक्वल टू NA माइनस B प्लस NA इंटरसेक्शन B. Here you are going to use here. You have the value of NA 17 and A minus B. You are going to find out. If you want, you can take it as X. Otherwise, leave in terms of NA minus B, no problem. And NA intersection B, just now you got, it is 2. So the value of X is here 15. This implies X means what here? NA minus B is equal to, it is 15. And the third portion, we have just use the reverse formula. NB is equal to, we have NB is equal to N what? NB minus A plus N A intersection B. It is the portion of A intersection B. It is the portion of A minus B. It is the portion of B minus A and B minus A and A intersection B. Here you have the value of NB. Let us see. It is 23. Put here. And B minus A you are going to find out. And A intersection B you got. So the value of X is 23 minus 1, 21. Therefore NB minus A is equal to 21. One is 15. One is 21 and one you already got here, it is 2. Okay, by these way you are going to find out the values of unknowns. Okay, if some values are given here. Understood the concept? By this way you are going to find out. One more question I am just going to give you. Solve by yourself. In that time you are going to pause the video, solve by yourself, and then send that thing to me. Okay? Now have a look at this problem. Okay, the question is that NX union Y. In place of A and B, I have used here the sets X and Y. I think you don't have any problem because in the set any capital letter set can be used. So in place of A and B, I have used here X and Y. Now let us see. It is your N X union Y is given 50, Nx is given 28, and Ny is given 32. You are going to find out here the same thing what I have given in previous question, but it is given in language form, and you have already known, already you have seen what is the actual meaning of this and only but not. Okay, so first thing is your Nx and Y. If you have written, because I have told you that write down this thing in your notebook, if you have written these language forms and symbols, then open that, you will very easily see that an X and Y simply means and X intersection Y. Let us see and represent the intersection there. The C in your note copy, if you have written, you will surely get this thing. Only X means X minus Y, and Y but not X. It is also the process of the same thing, of the difference. It is your Y minus X, means the same thing you are going to find out, but here these are written in language form. So now your question becomes like this: X union Y is given, and X is given, and Y is given. You are going to find out these things by using the formulas. Okay, now you have the formulas. Use these formulas. Just pause my video here only and then make it first, send this to me there. Okay, then again you will see the later next portion of the video. At first pause my video here, solve these terms and send the solutions to me one by one. Okay, now pause it. Now I think you all sent your solutions to me. Now have a look on the word problems. Actual portions you have already seen. Now you are going to see the word problems on these. Okay, the word problems on these. Now listen here. Have a look at here. Question is, in a group of 800 people. Have you seen? In a group of 800 people, 550 कैन स्पीक हिंदी, है ना. अब क्या करेंगे, अब ये सेट फॉर्म में नहीं देके लैंग्वेज फॉर्म में दिया है. प्रोसेस बनने का वही रहेगा, पहले हमको सिर्फ इसको सेट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है और कुछ नहीं. और सेट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम लैंग्वेज बताए हैं, किसके लिए ओनली वन यूज होगा, किसके लिए ओनली ए यूज होगा, किसके कब ए एंड बी को क्या लिखेंगे, ये सब ऑलरेडी हम आपको बताए हुए हैं. उसी चीज का अब यहां पर मैं यूज करेंगे. फॉर्मूला सब वही रहेगा जो हम बताए हैं. Now listen. In a group of 800 people, 550 can speak Hindi. Okay, 550 can speak Hindi. 450 can speak English. How many can speak? First number both Hindi and English. Second only English, and third only Hindi. You are knowing very well what is the meaning of both and intersection. याद आया ना. ओनली का मतलब पहला लेकिन दूसरा नहीं. इंग्लिश, ओनली इंग्लिश मीन्स सपोज दैट योर सेट ऑफ इंग्लिश इज ए, देन ओनली, एंड सेट ऑफ हिंदी इज एच, देन ओनली इंग्लिश मीन्स ई माइनस एच, ओनली हिंदी मीन्स एच माइनस ई. समझ में आया बात ना. उसी चीज को भी हम लोग यहां देखने जा रहे हैं. ओके, एट फर्स्ट व्हाट टू डू फॉर दिस सॉल्यूशन. For this solution, at first you have to assume the set. Let H equal to set of people speaks Hindi, and next, and second set is E equal to set of people speaks what? English. Therefore, converting in the set form, you have in a group of 800 people. 800 people means total मिला के 800 है, and it is your union. Then H union E. Write down here according to question. It is given in your question. H union E is equal to 800. Then what? 550 can speak Hindi. Have you seen? 550 can speak Hindi means here NH is given 550. Then 450 can speak English. 450 can speak English means it is your which thing is given here, NE English बोलने वाला दिया हुआ है 450. Then how many can speak both English and Hindi? Now have a look. I'm just going to convert in set form. Both means an A intersection, sorry, H and E is here, and E intersection H we are going to find out first. Second thing, only English means N E minus H, and third thing, only Hindi means N H minus E, N H minus E. This thing you are going to find out here, okay, from the remaining portions. Now already I have converted the things in set form. You are knowing very well how to find by yourself, okay, find the remaining answers by yourself, okay. This how to find after this, after when you will get this thing set form, how to find their solution you are knowing very well. So now solve by yourself, okay. I am leaving this thing here, solve by yourself. When you will complete it, now pause my video here only and complete the thing, okay. When you will complete it, then I am just going to explain its easier method. Directly by using Venn diagram, how can we solve this such type of problems? Here at first I have discussed by using the formulas how you can find out the solutions. Now you are going to see how to find the solution by means it is your alternating method by using directly Venn diagram. That thing you are going to see, okay. Now have a look on this. At first I think you have already completed the first portion. If not completed, pause my video and then complete it. Then you are going to see this thing, okay. Now have a look on here how to solve this such type of problems by using Venn diagram. At first draw the Venn diagram here only. At first you are going to write down the set first. ये पहले जरूर लिखाएगा सेट, उसके बाद ही कोई काम होगा. पहला सेट H है, दूसरा सेट E है. H equal to set of people speaks Hindi, E equal to set of people speak English. It is your second method, है ना. Second method I am just going to discuss here. Now listen, it is easier than that. At first fill all the portions here. जो जो पोर्शन है सब में नंबर, सब में वैल्यू इसका एलिमेंट से फिल करो. मान लीजिए ये A है, ये B है, ये C है, और कोई भी जगह नहीं बच गया, बचा नहीं बचा. अब क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन भरते चलो क्या क्या दिया है. नाउ लेट्स सी. देखो A का मतलब हो गया ओनली हिंदी, देख रहे हैं ना. C का मतलब हो गया ओनली इंग्लिश, और B का मतलब हो गया H एंड E, H इंटरसेक्शन E जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. और अगर यूनियन बोलेंगे तो A प्लस B प्लस C, देख रहे हैं ना. A प्लस B प्लस C यूनियन का मतलब हो गया. अब यहां जाओ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्या दिया है, इन ए ग्रुप ऑफ 800 पीपल, इन ए ग्रुप ऑफ 800 पीपल मतलब तीनों का तीनों है. तो यहां पर में दिया है A प्लस B प्लस C इज इक्वल टू 800. नेक्स्ट 550 कैन स्पीक हिंदी. कौन कौन सा हिंदी वाला है, A और B दोनों मिलाकर, है ना. तो जो जो पोर्शन है सब लिख लीजिए 550. नेक्स्ट 450 कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, 450 कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. अब देख लो यहाँ इंग्लिश वाला पोर्शन कौन कौन सा है, B और C. तो B प्लस C इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच इट इज 450. हैव यू सीन, ओके. देन नाउ रिमेनिंग पोर्शन यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग दीज थिंग्स. मीन्स by using these equations you got here 3 equation. It is your first equation, it is your second equation, it is your third equation. By using these things you are going to solve. Now listen, by taking these two, if in the place of A plus B you can use 550, then from here it is your 550 plus C is equal to 800. This implies C is equal to 800 minus 550. How much it is? 250. It's 250. Now put this value of C here in third. Then very easily you will get B plus 250 is equal to 450. So the value of B is how much it is? Yes, 200. Now you got the value of C. हमको यहाँ A, B और C तीनों का वैल्यू चाहिए. उसके बाद हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. उसी के लिए प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं. यहाँ C निकल गया, B निकल गया. अब क्या है, B का वैल्यू यहाँ बैठा लीजिए, है ना, यहां पे b का वैल्यू बैठा लो, तो यहां से क्या मिल जाएगा, a प्लस at the place of b you got the value, it is 200 is equal to, it is 550. So the value of a is how much, 550 minus 200, 350. Now you have the value of a 350, you have the value of b, it is 200, and the value of c 250. Okay, now you can find out any of the value from here. Okay, at first note down this thing, I'm just going to erase from here. Then remaining portion I'm just going to solve here. Now you got here A, B and C. Write down this A, B and C. Then remaining portion you are going to see how to solve. Now let's start the solution. You have the value of A, you have the value of B, you have the value of C. Okay, then first thing is your both Hindi and English. Both Hindi and English is H, it is your E, A, B, C I have written. Both Hindi and English, it is your B. So whatsoever you have got the value of B, write down here, it is your both Hindi and English. Answer is there. Second, only English. Have you seen which one is only English? Only English is your A. So the value what you got here for A. Okay. What you got here A, that is 350. So it's the only English portion. And the third portion is only Hindi. Only Hindi. Have you seen which one is only Hindi? Which one is only Hindi? Yes. Sorry. Only English portion is your C. Only English portion is your C. Only Hindi C you got here. Write down its value. Only Hindi is your A. है ना? Sorry. Only Hindi is your A, and the value of A is how much it is? The value of A, I think you got 350, so it is 350. Okay, now you have the two ways to solve the word problems. Take the word problems from your notebook and solve. Either to use that process or this process, have no any confusion, no problem. Solve it properly. Okay. I think you understood very well the results upon the Venn diagram and how to use that results in the word problems. Okay, now take some questions and solve by yourself. Thank you very much.